Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. I hope everyone is doing well. Better balance is something I always get told are some people's main priority. Another question I get is what's the best way to make turns? If you're not aware, making a simple turn with your body is not a simple task if you have ataxia or any other neurological disorder, but it helps if you have a strong core. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. As demonstrated, you can never go wrong with the star crunch. Most people think the star crunch doesn't do much, but it does if you suffer from a nervous system issue. Having a strong core in general will help your balance, and you need that balance for better turning. Star crunches are targeting the abdominal and oblique muscles. Star crunches also improve movements in your hip flexors to help lift your legs and back muscles as you lift your arms and upper back. All these muscles are core components of turning. As demonstrated, lie on your back with both arms extended above your head. As you lift one leg, lift the opposite arm, and when going back down, ensure your head, feet, and hands all touch the surface. Always remind yourself to keep your foot flat when you raise the certain leg, and remember to alternate legs and arms. The clam crunches can be difficult at first because it can work your lower back. It should not hurt your lower back, but if it does, please comment, and this exercise might need to be modified for you. Clams can help to balance the muscles between your inner and outer thighs and your hip flexors, which result in better balance because in the end you're strengthening your core. Just like the previous exercise, lie on your back with your arms extended over your head, but as demonstrated, lift all four limbs and meet in the middle, and as you go down, ensure your head, legs, and arms all come down at once and touch the surface. The previous exercises are much easier to me than the alternate leg raises with iso hold as demonstrated. This is another exercise to challenge the core that will help with balance and stability. Some exercises have the acronym ISO, but what does it stand for? ISO stands for isometric. Isometric exercises are a path of least resistance. These ISO exercises should be done early on in your workout regimen because they do not involve joint movement and the intensity of muscle contraction is minimal. As demonstrated, when alternating leg raises, do not move your arms. You want to crunch up, hold your arms up with no movement, and alternate leg raises. For example, this is more like a plank to where you want to hold and do this position for a length of time. Always reach for a goal and never give up. It's so important to get this content out there because most people, including some doctors, do not know anything about ataxia. Ataxia is the #1 disease that no one has heard about. This channel will also help people with other neurological disorders. Please help the channel out and bring awareness to ataxia, which is extremely rare, by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you.